Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing your green backdrop taut and wrinkle-free so the chroma keying has consistent color. Once done, mount your phone on a tripod and compose the shot so the subject stays away from edges and shadows. Make sure lights are diffused and balanced. Harsh spots will ruin the key. Also check white balance and lock exposure on your phone so color stays stable. Now record a short test clip to confirm even green coverage before moving on. You should lock focus and exposure and record at the highest resolution and frame rate your phone supports for cleaner edges. Once recording, have the subject perform the motions and gestures they will use so you capture realistic motion blur. Make sure nothing in the scene is green and keep at least 3 feet of distance between subject and backdrop to prevent spill. If hair or glass reflects green, add a hair light to separate the subject from the background. You now import the clip into your chosen app or desktop editor and apply the chroma key. Tweak tolerance and edge feather to remove remaining green without cutting hair. Once you see spill, use spill suppression and a matte choke to tighten edges. Make color corrections to match foreground with background light and add a slight blur to the composite for realism. If edges remain noisy or green bleed persists, reshoot with softer lights or increase subject distance. Reworking capture is faster than fixing extreme spill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.